Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Product. Today, we're diving into the best wall socket extender for modern homes and offices. Meet the Lincent PA037 wall socket extender. Compact, powerful, and built to handle all your daily charging needs. Let's get started. Product features: 7-in-1 power solution. Equipped with 3 AC outlets, 2 USB-A ports, and 2 Type-C ports, this extender lets you power up to 7 devices at once without extra adapters or messy cables. Smart non-blocking design. The non-locking cube layout ensures large plugs don't block other outlets, allowing you to use every port efficiently and comfortably at the same time. High power output, up to 4,000 watts. Supports high-power devices like computers and appliances with a maximum load of 4,000 watts, making it suitable for both light and heavy electronics. Dual USB-C convenience. 2 Type-C ports provide fast and modern charging for newer smartphones, tablets, and accessories without needing separate chargers. Compact and travel-friendly size. Measuring just 76 by 62 by 76 millimeters, the lightweight cube easily fits into backpacks or briefcases, perfect for home, office, or travel use. One-touch power control switch. The built-in power switch lets you turn off all connected devices at once, saving energy and eliminating constant unplugging. Flame retardant safety build. Made with flame-resistant PC material that withstands up to 750 degrees Celsius, offering enhanced durability and fire protection. Child safety protection. Integrated child-proof features reduce the risk of accidental electric shock, adding peace of mind for families and shared spaces. Pros: powers 7 devices simultaneously. Compact portable cube design. Includes modern USB-C ports, non-blocking outlet layout, strong safety and fire protection, easy one-switch power control. Cons: no surge protection indicator, fixed plug design, not rotatable. USB ports may share power under heavy load. Final thoughts: if you're looking for a compact, safe, and efficient power solution, the Lincent PA037 wall socket extender is a smart choice. It balances portability, power, and safety, ideal for desks, bedrooms, offices, and travel setups. Still running out of sockets? This little cube might be your perfect upgrade. Check the price link in the description, and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Product and like this video for more honest tech reviews. Thanks for watching.